Welcome to this Yoga Nidra body scan guided meditation for resetting your energy. Yoga Nidra is one of the most powerful practices in all of yoga, and the most beautiful thing is you don't even have to do a thing but listen to the sound of my voice. So while I explain the benefits of Yoga Nidra, I encourage you to take some time to get into a comfortable laying down position. Maybe in your bed, maybe on your yoga mat, maybe on the floor. If you can, put your head on that pillow, get nice and warm under those sheets. Close your eyes and listen to the sound of my voice. So Yoga Nidra is going to bring balance back to our body. And it's also going to reset our nervous system. That means it's equally powerful if you have not enough energy or too much energy. So if you're struggling to fall asleep, Yoga Nidra will really help. But also if you're facing a lot of fatigue in the middle of the day, Yoga Nidra will really help. So if it's your first time doing Yoga Nidra, I want to welcome you to the Swiss Army knife of a yoga practice. And I promise you, this won't be the last time. You'll be feeling the benefits very quickly, but I encourage you to stay till the end for maximum benefits. So let's begin. I want you to bring your awareness to your breath. Simply feeling the cool air entering your nostrils and the warm air leaving your nostrils. Keep your lips sealed. And don't try to change your breathing patterns, just notice how they already are. I'll leave you here for a moment with your breath. Try to make your breath so light that if there was a feather right under your nose, your inhales and exhales wouldn't move a single hair on that feather. Can you make your breath that gentle while keeping it full, not letting it shallow? Continue this breathing pattern as you bring your awareness gently to the space between your eyebrows. Soften the muscles in that area. And try to examine every cell that makes up the tissue, that makes up the skin that's directly between your eyebrows. Now feel what's under the skin at that energy center. What's under the skull. Imagine there's a spotlight shining on the space between your eyebrows. And focus all your awareness on that point. If thoughts come up, don't forcibly shun them, but just allow them to dissolve as you return your awareness to the space between your eyebrows. Stay here, breathing into this point on your body. Now we're about to go on a journey all around our bodies. As I call out different parts of your vessel, I want you to remember what we just did here in the space between our eyebrows. I want you to soften your muscles, and I want you to bring your awareness to the complex inner workings of your physiology. Let's begin. Shift your awareness now to your eyelids, protecting your closed eyes. Soften those muscles and gain an understanding for how they work. Now bring your awareness to the tip of your nose. Feel it smile, feel it soften. Keeping every muscle in your body neutral as you focus on the tip of your nose. Now just rest your awareness on the space above your upper lip, your mustache area. Now your upper lip itself. Your lower lip. The tip of your tongue. Soften the muscle on the tip of your tongue. Now bring your awareness to the base of your tongue. Develop an understanding of its inner workings and soften the muscles on the base of your tongue. Now come to the top of your throat, right where your head meets your neck. Now to the base of your throat, right where your collarbones meet your neck. Now come to the collarbones themselves. Feel the muscles around them softening. Feel your collarbones sink 1 inch deeper towards the floor. Now come to feel your shoulder blades pressing against the floor or the mattress. Allow your shoulder blades to sink 1 inch deeper into the floor as they soften. Now the triceps on your upper arms, feel them against the floor as you soften these muscles. Your forearms against the floor. The backs of your hands. Your knuckle. And follow your knuckles all the way to your fingertips as you feel all the muscles in your hands melt. Now the inside of your fingers, the palm of your hand, the inside of your wrist, the soft skin on the inside of your forearms, the inside of your elbows, your biceps pointing up to the sky, feel them soften, your armpit, your chest, your rib cage, your lungs, your heart, your stomach, your intestines, your belly button, your lower belly, just beneath your belly button, and the triangle of your groin. Now, bring your awareness to your entire pelvic bone, from your hips to your sits bones, the biggest bone in your body. Now feel your lower back against the floor or the mattress, your 2 butt cheeks against the floor or the mattress, your thighs, soften all the muscles in your thighs, your kneecaps, let them melt into softness, your shin bone, the tops of your feet, the knuckles of your toes, your pinky toe, ring toe, middle toe, index toe, and your big toe. Feel the pads of your toes on the bottom of your foot. Feel the precise point where your toes meet the sole of your foot. Feel the ball of your foot, the arch of your foot, your heels, your Achilles tendon on the back of your ankle, the bones that make up your ankle, your calf muscles, the backs of your knees, your hamstring, and the base of your spine. Try to feel the first spinal disc in your lumbar spine. And now ever so slightly and slowly trace the discs in your spine from bottom to top. Feel their connection to the floor. Feel how they are connecting your entire body at its extremities to the center line. Come up the lumbar spine to the thoracic spine in the middle of your back. Now the cervical spine in the top of your back. And finally come to the back of your neck. And now I want you to fix your awareness on the occipital bone, right where your spine meets your skull. Feel a euphoria resting at this point. And soften all these muscles on the back of your neck and the back of your head. Let your scalp relax. Let your throat relax. Let your ears relax. And now spread your awareness so it includes your whole entire scalp. And now focus your awareness on that one point at the top of your head where you are connected to the rest of life. Right at the top. If you're having trouble finding this point, it's the tallest point on your body when you stand up. The peak of your consciousness. Visualize a beacon of white light erupting from that point in your head and going up into the sky, connecting you with the unified field. And now gently trace your awareness back to the space between your eyebrows. Take stock of what this journey has done for you. How did you feel before? How do you feel now? Where are you noticing tingles in your body that you didn't before? Are you still holding any tension that you'd like to release? How has your breath changed? Ask yourself these questions and don't try to change your body. Just observe how it naturally is. Take as much time in this position as you want before getting up. Before I leave you, I'll mention that I love you. And you are so brave and wise for devoting this time to resetting your body and mind. Be sure to check out my other guided meditations because I have a lot. They have to do with visualization, manifestation, calming anxiety, learning new breathwork techniques, and everything in between. I'll see you next time, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace and love.